going to do this. I'm gonna have fun. I'm trying to do my best. Take me too, okay? Okay.
All right, let's go. Let's work out.
Woo!
We're up here with Michaela on the treadmill, and we're gonna see what time she's running. She's on, get that up close, 7.3 speed with only 7 seconds down. We're over here with Ayana. Ayana, what are you typing in?
Typing in my speed.
2.5. Look at that workout face.
I'm going fast, right?
Let's check out those feet. Let's check out these feet.
Check out my feet.
Check them out. Check them out. Put them up. Put them up. Put them up. Put them up. Look at Michaela. Giving those long strides. This is me waving. I would never ever in my life do that. Michaela stopping. She's stopping. And this is stopping. Peace.